watching Daily Dish.
And welcome back, everybody, on this Thursday. One app is taking the hassle out of home ownership. You can schedule maintenance and repair visits with your smart device within minutes. Joining me now for more in this sponsored interview is Matt Hoppy. He is the Chief Marketing Officer. How does One Home Solution work?
Yeah, so the way it is a centralized home care for homeowners. So rather than having to be the property manager for your house, essentially, we're a one-stop shop that's totally app-enabled to allow homeowners to get people to come over and help them with their house without having to spend all the time doing the research and the effort to say, how can I get quotes and get people over here and wait around all day for them to show up?
Okay, so what types of things around the house are we talking about? What can you request?
Yeah, so it's really anything. So like you have those small things that tick up, like you have a creaky door, or you have a light bulb that's 20 feet in the air and you don't want to get on a ladder and go fix it, or you have spot care or salt that needs to be replaced and you just don't have the time or the interest in taking care of it. We come over and manage that for you. And
I was thinking of single moms when you and I were first talking in the commercial break, and I was thinking of the elderly, but you said it's actually for everyone and everybody.
Yeah, absolutely. So like I'm a father with 2 children, and on the weekend I would much rather take them skiing or spend some time with them versus spend 3 hours wrestling with a project. And this is just an easy way to unburden yourself as a homeowner and not have to feel like you take care of your house fully.
No, you don't have to go to Home Depot because someone's doing it for you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So really, like it could be anything. I mean, we'll come over and paint the baseboards. We'll clean the drain for you.
Are you kidding me?
And we have a repeating services program that happens 4 times throughout the year. We come out, we oil the track on your garage door, we clean the furnace, like we manage the hot water heater. It's really everything just to make sure that your house, which is essentially your most important investment you have in your life, is going to be in tip-top shape.
It's that handyman stuff that sometimes you just don't know how to do, or you don't have time to do.
Yeah.
Either one. Okay, so I was saying to you, I was throwing things at you. All right, so if I bought a new light fixture, but I don't know how to put up that fixture, do I need an electrician, or would this work for me?
No, absolutely. Just come to us, and we have an app that you would download from either the Apple or the Google Play Store, and you just take a picture of it and you send a request to us. You pick the day and the time you want us to show up. We show up at that exact time and solve the problem for you.
It's so easy.
Yeah.
Okay, and do I pay per project?
Yeah, so we have 3 subscriptions, and it's a monthly subscription. And then at our lowest subscription, you just pay per project, and we have a flat hourly rate. That's a perfectly good rate. That's well below what you pay if you just get a contractor to come over, because you're paying for the benefit of having our team on staff. And then we have some other programs that go up from there, a platinum and a diamond program that have some other things included in it.
Matt, how do I know that the person coming to my house is qualified?
Yeah, so like we are very transparent about who we have on staff. So we have some very, very good qualified contractors who are on staff, and we have a 100% quality guarantee. And so if at any time within 30 days of work being completed at your house, you're not happy with the work, you just call us and we come back and we'll take care of it, make sure it meets your standards.
If you're thinking that is up my alley, you have a special deal for our viewers right now.
Yeah, we absolutely do. So if you sign up for our Gold program right now, we're going to give you 2 free hours of maintenance, which is a $150 value. And all you have to do is head to our website, which is onehomesolution.com, and sign up, and you're off and running.
Use the code DailyDish, everybody. All the information is on your screen. Again, it's onehomesolution.com. The app's on the App Store, and of course they're on social media too, but go to abc4.com/dailydish for more on this sponsored interview. Now my brain's working. I'm thinking of the crack in my tub. I'm thinking of a wall I need painted.
We're going to solve all those problems for you.
Yes, and yes to all of that, Matt.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for stopping by the show. Okay.